Let's draw this tray in front of us. This tray can be even used for eggs. As you can see, we have 6 holes this side and 6 holes that side, which makes a total of 18 holes. Okay, then we can put our eggs inside. Depending on your design, you're not gonna waste much time. You're gonna come on new there. Okay, so let me put it this way, like that. You're gonna come on new there. Since our dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna say metric. Standard millimeters, we say create. So here we are going to start with a rectangle. So here comes our rectangle. I'll make sure that this distance here is 372 millimeters. Okay, and that's one there. Come again. This one here needs to be 3 millimeters. Good. Then after that, I'll come with an ellipse. Okay, first let me draw this line here. There is my line. I'll make sure that this line here is perpendicular to my rectangle. Then the distance from here to there, that one needs to be 36 millimeters. Then comes my ellipse. This, I'm gonna consider it as an egg. So the shape of the egg, sorry. So this one here will be 33 millimeters, and that one will be 24 millimeters. Good. Now that I have this, I'm gonna click on offset there. I want to offset this one by 3 millimeters. Enter. Then I'm gonna go on 3D model. I click on extrude. Now I'm going to extrude this part here. Okay, but using this function. Okay, I'm gonna have 36 millimeters coming towards me and 156 millimeter away from me, like that. And then I'll say okay. After that, I'll come here, I say visibility, sorry. I'll come here, I say visibility on. Then I'll click on revolve. Now I want to revolve this part here. Yeah. That part by against that axis there. Then I'm gonna say cut. Then I'm gonna have that hole over there. Then I say okay, plus now you can see that I have the hole there. Now plus this part here. So I want this part here, okay, to be added. I'm gonna use the same axis. Okay, you can see now adding, and then I say okay. Right, then I say visibility off. Now you can see I have that in place. Okay, then I'll come here. I'm gonna click on rectangular pattern. Now I want this shape here, okay, to be multiply in this direction 3 times with a space between center to center, from center to center, sorry, of 60 millimeters, but the other way around, like that. Yeah. Now again, against this other axis, this one here, okay, 6 of them with 60 millimeter axis to axis, or center to center, the other way. Now I have it like that. Then I say okay. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'll come here. I say I want to create a fillet there. So that's one, create a fillet of 30 millimeter radius here as well. Okay, then I'll come here, there, then I'll come here as well. That's one there, and then I'll say okay. Yeah, now this is what you have. If you want, okay, you can come up here as well and say new sketch. That's a new sketch there. Create sketch, and then you can also, if you want, create a rectangle here. Okay, and then you can make it a proper tray, okay, with a cover. So you just have to design it. That's it. There's not much to do there. Okay, so that's one there can be let's say 182. Say okay, right, and then the distance here, that can be 372. Good. And after that, you can come on to the model. Then you can extrude this part here. You can extrude this part there, maybe by they say 3 millimeters. Okay, 3 millimeters. Then what you can do next is you can create holes in there, or do whatever you want to do there, and then you're gonna make it a proper thing. Okay, so what you can do next is you can come there and give it a material. So what material you're gonna put this one? For it to be interesting, we need to make it interesting. Let's go if we can't go with glasses or anything. Just make it interesting, the look of it. You can't have stainless steel. Okay, you can design it further and change colors and all that, right? It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye. Let's draw this cone in front of us. Since our dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna come on new there. We go metric, standard millimeters, and let's say create. Here we are going to start with a rectangle. So this is one of the easiest way to draw a cone. Then I'm gonna draw this line here. After that, I'll come with this other line from there up to, let's say, there. Okay, then I'll say between this one and that one, I need to have 20 millimeters. So 20. Okay, and this whole thing here needs to be 160 millimeters. Okay, that is good. From here to there, I want to have 25 millimeters. Okay, and this whole thing, I want it to be 60 millimeters. So 60. Once you're done with that, what you can do next is you come on 3D model, you click on revolve, right? Now you select the profile that you want to revolve, and then you select the axis against which you want to revolve. Now you have your cone. Then you say, okay. After this, what you can do now is to give the material. So you're gonna come on here, right? You select maybe, let's say, carbon steel. Now you have it. Okay, it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.